Crypto Frog back in the house, new crypto videos all of the time. Hit subscribe and thumbs up. Today we are going to talk about Bitcoin Cash, the fifth largest cryptocurrency in the world by market capitalization. Its ticker is BCH, and it's probably one of the most divisive coins in the parallel universe that is cryptocurrency. Investors love it or they hate it. There seems to be little or zero middle ground on Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash recently had its first halving at block height 630,000 in early April 2020. It slashed the network's mining reward from 12.5 Bitcoin Cash per block to 6.25 Bitcoin Cash per block. Bullish, wouldn't you think? We are looking at Bitcoin.com here, the news section. We can see that Bitcoin Cash miner revenue chops in half. So far, roughly 87.6% of all 21 million Bitcoin Cash that will ever be produced has been mined into existence. Was this bullish for Bitcoin Cash, this halving? Well, no, not really. According to dailychain.com, the hash rate fell around 80%, 80%. It also reports there was a 109-minute gap between blocks. That is astonishing. For reference, usual block production time on Bitcoin Cash is 10 minutes, so it took around 11 times longer than usual. Think about it. You could watch a movie between two blocks. Not a good look at all. Miners said, "See you later, alligator. This is a profit-chasing game." No profits, and the miners are checking out en masse. Bitcoin Cash is also very susceptible to a POW 51% attack. If we look here, we can see that it would cost you $750,000 for a 1-hour attack against Bitcoin, almost $100,000 for Ethereum. But Bitcoin Cash here, it would only cost you $13,600 to launch a POW 51% attack on Bitcoin Cash, which isn't really acceptable for a almost $4.5 billion market cap project. Now, you might say that halving events have a nice effect on the price because it bolsters scarcity. That's the meme anyway. It is based on fact, maybe not. A lot of people are banking on the Bitcoin halving to pump the price, of course. The Bitcoin Cash event foreshadows the BTC halving by just over a month. They are in no way the same beast. You don't have to tell anyone that. The price back on February 14th, one Bitcoin Cash would cost you almost $500 as of making this video. One Bitcoin Cash stands at $244. Against Bitcoin as well, it's down almost 7% against Bitcoin within the past month, down almost 20% against Ethereum in just a month's time. Over the course of the last 12 months, Bitcoin Cash is down 42% against Bitcoin, and also down a lot in US dollar terms as well. Bitcoin, as we can see, is 25 times larger than Bitcoin Cash in terms of market cap. People were also expecting a pump when Litecoin cut its block rewards in half. However, it seems that the halving meme doesn't work with alts. Walk into any old factory somewhere, tell your employees that they have to do the same work, the same hours, with the same conditions for half their original pay. You'd have a mutiny on your hands. Frogster, what's your opinion on Bitcoin Cash? We are all desperate to know. I'm not a massive fan. It does offer fast and cheap transactions, but don't most, even microcap shitcoins, do the same? BSV, another highly divisive cryptocurrency, as are all these forks of Bitcoin. It's funny what Coin Paprika here say. Bitcoin Cash is a cryptocurrency. It is a fork, parentheses, a copy in a way of Bitcoin, sticking the knife in there. I think BSV, though, is going to flip Bitcoin Cash at some point. Bitcoin SV, BSV, does the same thing as Bitcoin Cash, but offers a bit more, I suppose. And that's not to say I'm big on BSV either, but like I said before, I think it won't be long before these two forks of Bitcoin, or as Coin Paprika might call them, copies of Bitcoin, flip each other for the 5 and 6 position. Used to be that BSV was worth half of Bitcoin Cash, then roughly $100 less than Bitcoin Cash, then $50 less. As you can see, it's inching ever and ever closer towards that. Less than $40 difference now, eating Bitcoin Cash's lunch. This is the real king anyway, Bitcoin. Just Bitcoin. Nothing after this N here. To be frank, I'm not a fan of any coin with Bitcoin in its name that isn't BTC. To me, there's nothing sexy about Bitcoin. Investors swinging it can make money off it, of course. You could say Bitcoin Cash is the ultimate swing traded coin and a good way to stack those real sats and make more BTC. That's the name of the game after all. Once it moves, it does tend to move fast and hard. Be aware though, it also makes equally violent moves up or down. What are your thoughts on Bitcoin Cash? Is it really the best money in the world, as the website proudly expresses? Is it the best of the Bitcoin forks? Will BSV flip it? Comment below, let me know. You can find me on Twitter, CryptoFrog202. Give me a follow, that would be muchos sexirino. This is my YouTube channel. You're watching it right now. Please hit thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and hit the notification bell. The videos are coming thick and fast, brothers and sisters. Until next time, stack the chat.